If you're looking to maximize your limited kitchen space, the Emeril Lagasse French door air fryer toaster oven is a very clean upgrade. It sits comfortably on most countertops at roughly 17 by 16 inches. But the dual doors do swing wide, so make sure you factor in cabinet clearance. Internally, you get 26 quarts of cooking capacity, which easily accommodates a 12-inch pizza or a full 6-pound chicken on the rotisserie spit. Instead of basic baking elements, this uses a 360-degree superheated hot air circulation system that crisps food using less energy. It's essentially multiple countertop appliances built into one heavy-duty unit. Take a look at the link below if you want to see how the dimensions fit your layout.
If your main goal is fast cooking without sacrificing precious workspace, the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a clever choice. It features a smart vertical design that measures roughly 16 inches wide and 14 inches tall, giving you plenty of actual prep space on your counter. Inside its 0.6 cubic foot interior, it skips complicated layout changes and focuses entirely on raw power. The heavy-duty 1800-watt motor drives a high-velocity fan that rapidly circulates intense heat directly over a large 3-pound air fry basket. Just keep in mind that because the convection system is so strong, your food will routinely cook faster than traditional recipe times. It is a reliable, no-nonsense kitchen workhorse. If you want to see if this one matches your cooking habits, you can easily check out its current availability with the link in the description.
If you are someone who struggles with limited kitchen real estate, the Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer, specifically the SP151 model, offers a brilliant engineering solution. Instead of permanently dominating your workspace, its unique space-saving design allows you to physically flip the entire appliance up against your backsplash when it is not in use. This instantly reclaims 50% of your counter space. When laid flat for cooking, it sits at roughly 17 by 16 inches, providing enough internal capacity to air fry 4 pounds of ingredients or comfortably bake a standard 12-inch pizza. It runs on a heavy-duty 1800-watt system, utilizing infrared heat and rapid air circulation across 8 distinct cooking modes. It is a highly practical choice for tight kitchens. If you want to see exactly how this flip-away storage mechanism works in real time, go ahead and browse the full specifications down in our product guide.
If you are searching for a highly versatile option that skips the traditional boxy frame, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer and Rotisserie Oven is an excellent fit. It features a compact, cube-like design that takes up very little space, measuring roughly 12 by 12 inches on your counter and standing about 15 inches tall. Inside, it gives you a 10-quart capacity that utilizes rapid air technology and a high-speed convection system to crisp up food using minimal oil. The standout feature here is the inclusion of a specialized rotisserie spit and an interior viewing window, allowing you to roast small chickens perfectly right on your workspace. It comes equipped with 17 distinct digital touch presets, covering everything from roasting to dehydrating. It is a fantastic all-in-one choice for everyday meal prepping. If you want to check out the current pricing or full feature list, just look down at the pinned comment.
If you're looking for an entry-level countertop option that covers all the absolute essentials, the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven is worth considering. The sheer popularity of this specific model speaks for itself, as it consistently finds its way into over 10,000 kitchens every single month. It features a highly compact design, measuring roughly 15 by 11 inches and sitting just 8 inches tall, making it a perfect fit for smaller apartments or student dorms where workspace is at a premium. While it operates on a more modest 1150-watt system, it still packs 5 key functions, including air frying, baking, and their specific even toast technology. The interior capacity is strictly built for smaller batches, comfortably fitting a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of standard bread. It's a reliable budget option for daily, straightforward meals. If you are curious about why so many households keep picking this one up, you can get a closer look at the user feedback right on our breakdown page.
If you are feeding a busy household and need maximum flexibility, the Ninja Foodi DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer completely changes the game for countertop cooking. It occupies a space of roughly 17 by 14 inches and stands just under 13 inches tall, making it a highly practical footprint for larger family kitchens. The real magic is its 10-quart capacity, split into two completely independent 5-quart cooking zones. This means you can use their specific Smart Finish technology to cook a main dish in one basket and a side dish in the other at entirely different temperatures, while guaranteeing they finish cooking at the exact same moment. It also features an integrated smart thermometer probe to monitor internal food temperatures perfectly, taking all the guesswork out of roasting meats. It functions on an efficient 1690-watt system across 6 distinct presets. It is an incredible choice for serious multitasking meals, and you can see what other home cooks think about it by reading the latest community reviews pinned below.
If you love the concept of dual-zone cooking but want to keep your budget fully intact, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Basket Air Fryer is an incredibly smart alternative. It gives you a combined 9-quart capacity split into two completely independent 4.5-quart baskets. Measuring roughly 16 by 14.5 inches and sitting 11 inches tall, it provides an excellent balance of family-sized volume without taking over your whole counter. It features an upgraded 1750-watt DC motor that drives highly precise fan speeds, pushing dry convection heat all the way up to a powerful 450 degrees for a faster crisp. Their Sync Finish technology effortlessly coordinates both baskets to finish cooking at the exact same moment, and the clear front viewing windows mean you can easily track your meal's progress. Plus, all the non-stick internal racks are rated as top rack dishwasher safe, making the cleanup process entirely hassle-free. It is a highly capable budget champion. To see the current market value or check out the direct specifications, you can easily tap into our official resource breakdown.
If you love the elegant look of double doors but want top-tier performance to back it up, the Ninja French Door Premier Countertop Oven is a standout choice. It commands a sturdy profile on your counter, measuring roughly 16.5 inches wide by 15.5 inches deep, and stands about 13.5 inches tall. The signature pulling mechanism opens both doors simultaneously with a single handle, giving you wide-open access to its massive interior. It operates on an 1800-watt system that utilizes 450-degree cyclonic air technology, delivering up to 60% faster cooking speeds than a conventional oven with incredible heat retention. The included 5-quart air fry basket is built for serious volume, easily holding up to 5 pounds of food at once. With 10 digital cooking functions, it covers everything from whole roasting to dehydrating. It's a premium, high-capacity addition to any busy kitchen. To wrap things up and look over the complete breakdowns for everything we've covered, you can easily dive into all the specifics right over on our main analysis sheet.